Hey, folks, the market sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin and Ethereum, is really, really pessimistic. It's not good. Maybe that means we're somewhere near the bottom. Nobody knows. Maybe Bitcoin's going to do another swing back down. Nobody knows. Or maybe Ethereum is going to complete something and start doing a moonshot. Nobody knows. But I do know one thing's for sure. Once Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the other markets start to go bullish, even a little bit, this coin I have on my screen, Illuvium, will pop like a jack in the box. All right, guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over a cryptocurrency gaming token called Illuvium. I'm not going into the fundamentals. You want to check that out on your own. I suggest it. This is a very, very nice coin, in my opinion. But we're going to go check out the fundamentals and see what's going on with the overall picture of Illuvium. I have this on Coin Trader Pro because on TradingView, you're not able to get all of the data. But with Illuvium, this coin did a massive first wave run up of 5,700%. So now Illuvium is in a 1, correcting into a 2, going up to a wave 3, 4, and a 5. And I have price targets right there, about $134 for Illuvium. And if you ride that up, you can ride it up for 2,100% or maybe as high as 3,600% for a coin like Illuvium. One of the things that's nice about Illuvium and these cryptocurrencies is there's not a lot of big institutional investors into it and trading bots. So what that means is it's going to do more traditional Elliott wave moves. Okay, so let's take a look at the overall picture and looking at RSI data. So you got a third wave, you can see right there with divergence from here to here, here to there. What that means is that the price is lower, but in the RSI, it's high, and the price goes higher and RSI goes lower. So this is the area in your signal to exit Illuvium, okay? And that's what you're gonna wanna look for over here. Same thing, to exit Illuvium so you don't get trapped into the correction phase of Illuvium. So now what's it doing in the corrective phase? It's doing what is just your traditional simple zigzag, okay? With a simple zigzag, the common areas they like to extend to is the A wave. I take the length of the A wave and go the whole length of that B up to the top of the B. They like to go to about a 1-to-1 retracement, more or less. So if I just get to the bottom there, so the 1-to-1 area is more or less where they like to go to. So it's right in that area. It can be a little bit above or below, but that's a good indication that it's in a simple zigzag too. And then now this is the C leg of the zigzag that Illuvium is in. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's in a fifth wave. Okay. Now, some people may have some questions that this third wave is not long enough. If you check the length of this first wave to this third wave, the third wave is longer than the first wave. And in Elliott waves, only the third wave cannot be the shortest wave. So it follows all those rules. Okay. So now we're in a C leg. This is a C leg, and we're in the fifth wave. Well, right now we're technically in the fourth wave. So here's the wave of that C wave. We're in the last wave of that. And I'll show you as an example. If you take the move 1, 2, 3, 4, and up for a 5. Okay. Now price targets I have based on Fibonacci, if you take the whole length of the third wave, I'm going to take the whole length of the third wave and go to the price target of possible there. This 0.5 area, 0.618, right in those areas, somewhere from 123 to 134 is where Illuvium could finish up its correction. What you can do too with this leg, this leg right here, you can check the retracement of that leg. So I'm going to go to the top, start of the wave 3 to the bottom of wave 3. And you can see it hasn't retraced 50% yet. So that's good for that coin. All right. And then if I check the RSI data on this wave right here, down to there, third wave peak, and now it's coming up into that fourth wave. And usually with something like this, you can see that it appears it's getting some possibly making some hidden bearish divergence, telling you there's going to be a little bit more downside for a coin like this. Okay. Now I'm going to go into the area right here where some people may be saying that this correction is over. You can see with the RSI with Illuvium that this leg is making divergence from there to there. So that's more likely an impulse, and then more likely an impulse here. You can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. So the issue that I have with that is I can tell this is more like a zigzag move. So if you take a retracement on there again, or extension, and take the wave A or that first wave and go to this wave, and you can see it's 786, hasn't even hit the 1-to-1. The areas you want to see for this to be a 1, 2, 3 is 1.618 or $238 more or less for Illuvium. Now, can it still make it up there? It could. This could be, say, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the whole third wave. I don't think so. I think this is more likely a fourth wave for this move. As you can see, if I'm going to break this down even further on the 4-hour chart, you have your move like that, and then another sequence behind it where this is the whole third wave, and then going up and then swing back down for a fourth or fifth wave. All right, guys. And then if you take a look at everything on the daily, everything looks good on the retracement. And as far as this coin is concerned for Illuvium, it looks good. It's a very healthy correction. And we'll just go through the RSI data. Here's the third wave, came back around. Here's your fifth wave for the divergence that it's making. So it's telling me it's impulse move. Come on to the 3-day chart. It's taking it out, went deep a little bit. So everything looks pretty good so far for Illuvium, in my opinion. So more than likely, what I'm saying is that in this area, it's going to be finishing a correction. And that would be your A, B, C. Now, what does it do from here? It's going to depend on Bitcoin and Ethereum and the cryptocurrency markets. If they go bullish, this will be making its trek back up beyond 1,800 and probably up near $3,000. If Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to go into a corrective mode, this could still make a massive move up. At least, in my opinion, a 50% retracement for Illuvium. So back up to $487, $500 more or less. All right, guys. If you made it all the way to the end of my video, smash the like, smash the subscribe button. Peace.